think I felt a sense of freedom, and maybe that we were in a little bit more in charge than what we were before with our electricity.
We control what's going on now. Our system is 11.32 kilowatts, consisting of 31 panels.
Well, actually, we've done 3 separate installations. The first one was about 12 years ago on a different residence than this one. And then about 7 years ago, we had panels installed on our office building. And then 3 years ago, we moved to this home and had the panels installed here. We looked at 3 different vendors, and at first it was difficult making comparisons because their estimates laid out differently.
It seems like the prices for what appeared to be the same thing were quite complex, and you kind of get into this, and the more you dig into it, the deeper it tends to go. But at the end of the day, Neil with Solar Tops really helped us understand the differences and kind of ferreting out what was really important.
This year we did get a nice surprise when I got our June bill. The total for the month of June was a $20 credit. And I had to kind of smile because listening to the conversations back and forth on Nextdoor, there was a lot of people complaining at how high their June energy bills were.
And I too was watching some of those comments. And then Rhonda comes in and announces, hey, our power bill is negative $20. It's like, nice. I mean, we're running pools and air conditioners and lights, etc. And it's just, we can do whatever we want. There is freedom to that.
I would say that $20 credit for a total bill for the month of June is probably the top one. What do you think?
Yeah, I tend to agree. That's sweet. But I mean, overall, again, the whole package with Solar Tops has been what we've expected. The surprises for us is that there was no surprise, right? No issues with the installation, no issues with the operation. It just has worked.